case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Garner versus Gerrish in 1984 before the New York Court of Appeals centered on the interpretation of a lease agreement. The heart of the dispute lay in whether a lease that permits the tenant the exclusive right to terminate at whim creates a tenancy at will, which can be ended by either party, or a determinable life tenancy, granting occupation until either player chooses to surrender or until the tenant's lifespan concludes. The conflict emerged between a tenant and the executor of his deceased landlord's estate. The tenant argued that under their agreement, recognizing their discretion to terminate at any time, the lease created a life tenancy, subject to surrender or death. Conversely, the executor, upon the landlord's passing, sought to evict the tenant. Initially, lower courts sided with the executor. However, upon reaching higher courts, the tide turned in the tenant's favor. The court inversely interpreted that the specific phrasing of the lease, which unequivocally granted the tenant termination rights without granting the same to the landlord, indeed created a determinable life tenancy. Consequently, the higher court overturned the lower court's ruling in favor of the executor, marking an engaging twist in the legal battle. The order of the appellate division was ultimately reversed, and the petition dismissed, delivering a fascinating precedent in the law of leasehold estates.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.